I'm at a carpentry shop where they make fantasy coffins. Whether you want to get buried as a fish, an airplane, a lion, or a chili pepper. What's the inspiration behind this stuff?
It's more about occupation of the person.
Occupation of the person.
And so the work.
Abusuafo yɛn hyɛ ase. Me nuanom, sɛ wowɔ ha na woyɛ adwuma wɔ bi a mehu wɔ comment section ase. If you are part of people who does this work, let me know under the comment section because abusua, hey, adwuma bi na this is like one way, how do you feel? And what I don't understand is I've seen only me man kwa and a adwuma we. Me hu oba we bi. And I'm going to zoom. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Like, wow. See how they are doing it. Person almost saying, it's like, I was like, wow, wow, wow. Emi man wow. And I am, massaging, mas, like, seriously? How does it happen? How do you feel? Uhuna, dear, na usinbi. If my wife go in for this, wallahi, we are done. We are done. We are done. Ejai. Yeah. Alright. We find some go who's in Ade. What are you trying to tell me? I was here. The next thing I'm saying what the man is casket as a career job. Ooh. Any ajimo bi a we no we asibia. Type of casket, we will get it for you. Your pepper wo, your pineapple, your Sprite toa, your boots, your car, any work.
I'm at a carpentry shop where they make fantasy coffins. Whether you want to get buried as a fish, an airplane, a lion, or a chili pepper. What's the inspiration behind this stuff?
It's more about occupation of the person.
Occupation of the person.
And so the work you do when you die is in the form of coffin.
People come with their own idea how they want. For example, this is this chili pepper, and they are from one of TV station Chicago.
So, what kind of person will get buried inside of it?
One who work at the brewery, or those who like the alcohol.
Those who like alcohol.
Yeah.
I'm too impressed. I'm speechless. Wow.
So
you lay the inside of this.
yeah.
Somebody got buried in a Coke bottle. This is for a footballer. So he said it's for a football. What do you want to get buried in? Let me know in the comment. We're not thinking about that. We have life, innit? Yeah. We have life. More life.
You do some we are sweet, we have home casket I the amount. Say Africa is sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. Wallahi, Africa, woo, Ghana. What from these people? Like when I discovered that, like the guy is talented. How can you do a casket for someone who is a tomato farmer? Charlie, hey, occupation what my occupation away and yeah one casket. So who is going to do a casket for that this month? One be casket ama was one like wow. Ghana.